All right, here we go. 5 a.m. Chicago time. It's early. We're rolling. Now, markets are mixed right now. It's a mixed bag in the stock market. We've got the Dow Jones up, Nasdaq down. Yesterday, big day in the Nasdaq. Nearly a 4% move, 3.6% move to the upside after a couple down days. We talked about that yesterday morning, and boy, did it perform. A lot of buyers of some of those tech names like Tesla. Now, interest rates were lower, again, giving that market a bit of a boost. We'll see what shakes out today. Big CPI day today, so a lot of focus going to be on those interest rates off the back of this news. So the CPI news coming out, give us an idea of what inflation is looking like. You still got time to sign up. Big education event at Nadex next week, virtual event. Free to everyone. Go to nadex.com to sign up. It's next Tuesday. Kicks off at 11 a.m. Get in there. Make yourself a better trader. All right, folks, let's go get some today. I'll check in with you tomorrow.